Burlap Cross Picture Frame.
Hey, Mom!
This is a really simple craft. First, we're going to run the supplies across the top so you can see what you'll need for it. Here, I'm just painting. I had some silver tone crosses, and I decided to use one for this craft, so I'm just painting that. Now, you can use any picture frame that you want for this craft. I used one from like an old degree or certificate, you know, like when you're done with it. It was a nice frame. It was burgundy and gold, and I thought that would make for a pretty neat picture frame cross. So here I'm just removing the glass from it. You're not going to need that. I'm folding in all those little metal pieces to kind of get them out of the way. So this is the burlap that I used. I got that from Walmart. And I used tacky glue and hot glue. I don't know, it could be a little bit overkill. I use the tacky glue because this frame, as beautiful as it is, it's actually plastic, and I was afraid that maybe the hot glue wouldn't last. So hot glue is so it would immediately stick. Tacky glue is for later longevity. So when you cut the burlap, you just want to make sure you cut it with a little bit of slack so that you can later you're going to have to tie it. So you want to be able to at least bunch it together. And I'll show you that. Use string that kind of coordinates or matches, just in case a little piece of it shows. It won't be too jarring. So I bunch up the burlap sort of up on the sides and then up in the middle, sort of like a W shape. I think that it looks better if you do it uniformly like that, but you don't have to. Again, using the tacky glue and the hot glue. And making sure that, use my scissor for all kinds of things, it's my favorite tool. Make sure you have a little extra room there. Now you see when I glue this down, you don't want to have too much extra room, right? Because you don't want it to be kind of floppy. So later you'll see that I have to go back and cut that little overlapped area just so that it doesn't show through on the other side. Hey, while I'm thinking about it, don't forget to like and subscribe to HeyMaaa if you like to see crafts like this. We definitely love making them, and it's our only way of knowing if you're enjoying them. Thanks. Alright, so there we go. I'm tying the vertical part of the cross, and I think that that's looking really nice. You can just add a cross right there, and that's a very handsome craft. You're done. I would give that to my brother, but of course I want to go a little over the top. How about you give a little like if you like to add flowers to everything? So I had this mauve colored flower, and I just thought it would look really neat in the middle there with the cross nestled in it. And lo and behold, when I tried it, I liked it. It looked good. So I thought that was pretty nice. But I wasn't done yet. So again, I like to go way over the top. Here's where I'm cutting off that little bottom because you can see it through the burlap, and I didn't like that. It looked kind of sloppy. So these wood beads, every time I use them, my mother asks me about them every single time, and she remembers. I used to have one of those bead chairs, like not chairs, seat covers for your car way back in the day, and I knew I liked those wooden beads. So when I was done with it, I took it apart, and I use them in all types of crafts. So that's the craft right there. It's really simple. You could probably do it in like 10 minutes if you have a nice picture frame. Don't forget to subscribe to HeyMaaa, like, and share. Thank you. Stay safe.